Hi, Simon Murphy here, founder at mymortgagedeal.co.uk, and I'm here to help you buy, refinance or release equity from your UK property wherever you live worldwide. This episode I'm going to consider the question, as an expat with family returning home to the UK to live, can I get a mortgage? So that's a question we'll answer in this episode. Thanks for tuning in. On this episode, we're going to answer the question, as an expat with family and children returning back to the UK to live, can I get a mortgage? It's a really good question, and it's also probably one of the most popular questions that I get asked on a weekly basis. What's the problem with this? Well, most lenders require expats to be already back in the UK before applying for the mortgage. So there are very few options available to expats where family are going to return home to live. A couple of things to consider on this front as well. A mortgage where you're going to use the property for your own or family use comes under regulated mortgages. What that means is that your income is going to be assessed in quite a detailed way to make sure that it's affordable, compared with a buy-to-let mortgage where it's the rental yield that's going to be assessed. Most lenders, when they're going to assess your income, are also going to look in detail at the currency in which you're currently earning. And most lenders that cater for expats will have quite a stringent list of currencies that they will accept. Also, another point to consider is the location that you're currently residing in. Again, lenders will have quite a strict list on the countries that they'll consider applications from for expats. Now, some of the more popular countries, I'll not list them all, but probably more popular ones are Australia, UAE, Dubai, Hong Kong, China, New Zealand, Saudi Arabia, and the Middle Eastern countries, Qatar, Bahrain, Kuwait. Some lenders have a very small list of acceptable countries, but we at mymortgagedeal.co.uk, we work with a range of lenders and we can usually find a solution. If you're living in Outer Mongolia, then that might be a problem to find you an expat mortgage. Now, we do have a recent example of someone that we helped. Now, this person was living and working on a sort of 8 weeks on, 4 weeks back in the UK style arrangement. He was working for an international company in Ghana, and his family, his central family affairs were in the UK, but they were in rented accommodation. They wanted to upsize and purchase a new, larger property. Now, what were the problems with him? Well, the country was a country that many lenders excluded, being Ghana, and also he was earning in local Ghanaian currency, so that also posed a problem for many expat lenders. But a quick call to us. We were able to find a lender who would consider his location being Ghana and Ghanaian local currency. Needless to say, that family was over the moon when they moved in to their new home a couple of months back. So thanks for tuning in on this episode. Hope you found it useful. As always, please subscribe and like for further updates. And it's always useful for the community if you pop your questions or comments in the links below. Thanks for tuning in this episode. We look forward to seeing you on the next.